Hi, my name is BillFeaver, and I want to share the word networking. Networking is going to be the focus of what I'm talking about. My wife and I love to go out to dinner. We sit at the bar, and when you sit at the bar, you're sitting on a counter. We eat and we have a drink, and people come in. It's a neighborhood restaurant, and people come and go. And we've met so many people over the last 2 years, just sitting at the bar, getting to know them and having conversations. That is what we call networking. We network, and we do it in ways that you don't always think you're doing it. You do it at church. If you're new, you're doing it everywhere you can. And I like to meet people, and I like to ask them their story. Tell me about yourself. Show some interest in them. And so that is a focus point that I work on. And I'm in a network marketing business, and we have every day, 5 days a week, we have a Zoom meeting. It's called the Traffic and Conversion Zoom or Mastermind. And we have usually it's the leaders in our industry, somebody that's doing really well. They present what they're doing, and we watch them work, and they explain what they're doing. And if you have any questions, we ask them questions as we go. And at the end of the mastermind, we can ask questions about our business and so forth. And there's people on this mastermind that are about the same level I am, or a little below or above, and all over the place. And they ask such interesting questions. They follow directions. They are funny. Most of them are very sincere. And there's many that are just helpful. They're there to help each other and help us all. I've gotten to know them over the 3 or 4 years I've been there, and it's like a home. It's a place I go to when I can every day. If I can, I miss a day or two a week sometimes, but it is my place to meet and to network and to get to know people and to get help in the areas I want. So that is my tip for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you can use it. And if you want to know more, just send me a note at the end of this video. There's a spot I'll let you have to send me a direct message or email me. Or even if you need to call me, let me know and we can talk. Thank you for listening, and you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.